welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Queen, and in today's video, you guys, I will be bringing you an unboxing for the Biossance Sunshine Set. So guys, before I get into the video, I just want to let you know that this is a collaboration that they have with Reese Witherspoon. I've never tried the products out, so I'm super excited to unbox this with you guys and just see what it all has to offer. And I'm looking forward to trying them out as well. If you think this is something you'd be interested in watching, just continue to tune in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so first it's of course, the shipping box that comes in, and then it is just like this. So like I said, this is the Biossance set, the Sunshine set, and this is a collab that they've done with Reese Witherspoon. So when you receive it and you open your package, this is what it's gonna look like. They're saying this is a limited edition, the ritual essentials that are supposed to hydrate, protect, and nourish for healthy, happy skin. So this set includes a rose vegan lip balm. It also has a vitamin C rose oil, and then it has a zinc sheer mineral sunscreen. So this is perfect for the summer. That's why I was really excited about it, especially where I live at. Oh my God, it's so hot every day, and the sun is not here to play with us. So I'm just cutting this off of the package. Oh, this bag is so cute. Oh wow, this is really cute. So as you open it, this is what it looks like. I guess because it's called the Sunshine Set, that's why they have it looks like the sun and it goes over onto this side. It's super cute. Oh wow, this is really cute. So I'm just gonna open this up for you guys so we can get into it. Oh, this is cute. And then right there you see it says Biossance on there. This is really a great bag for travel. You can use this for the set to hold it in, and then I guess once your set is complete, you can actually use this for anything else for travel. It's super cute, and the quality of the material is really good as well. So then once you open that up, it has this bag right here, which is pink, super cute, giving off I guess the sun symbols on there. This is super cute, and I love pink, so anything pink, I'm just all excited for it. That was another reason why when they reached out, I was like, oh my God, yes, it's pink and it's skincare. Yes, I would love to try these out. All right, so let's see. All right, so first, let's get into the sunscreen. So this is what the sunscreen looks like that you'll be receiving. Hold on, let's see. So there's that. So the sunscreen, like I said earlier, is a zinc sheer mineral sunscreen. It's SPF 30, so it protects and moisturizes. So yeah, and it says that it's supposed to be sheer, and you use it on a daily basis, of course. Facial sunscreen that blends easily into skin and leaves a lightweight finish. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. Honestly, I'm gonna open this because I want to actually see what the consistency of the product looks like, and then I can show you guys okay, because a lot of sun screens will give that white, that white overcast thing. Oh wow, it does. Oh, so I put it on and that's what it ended up drying looking like. So that's really good because it's sheer. It really doesn't have a white cast, and most sunscreens do. And I like that it actually is moisturizing exactly like it says it. So this is what it actually looks like, guys. And then you rub it in, of course, and it's like a thin lightweight lotion. And it smells it doesn't stink, because a lot of sunscreens have a weird smell, and this one doesn't stink. So I'm excited about this. This is already looking very hopeful. And next, you guys, we have the Biossance vitamin C rose oil. So this is what that's looking like. Oh, this is so cute. The funny thing about the rose oil is I always wanted to try rose oil out, but I never knew whether or not it was something I really needed in life. But it has vitamin C in it, so you can't go wrong with that. Let's see. So when you put it in, that's how it's looking, and I guess you like rub it in. Oh, this smells so good. Oh yeah. It's supposed to visibly brighten and firm skin. This is, I'm excited about this. It's lightweight as well. It's not heavy or like super greasy. You know, you have a little bit of a sheen, but that could possibly be too from the fact that I put the sunblock over top of it. But all of this is supposed to be layered together anyway, so it doesn't even really matter when you put it on your face. But of course, I'm just showing you guys the like unboxing, so I'm not putting it on right now. And then we have the last thing they sent over is the Rose Vegan Lip Balm. So it's supposed to nourish and visibly plump your lips. So yeah, this is what that looks like. So yeah, can you guys see? Yeah, you can see it. All right, so this, I'm gonna put this on my hand too, just so I can see and show you guys like the consistency of what this looks like. Oh wow, this is thick. Ooh. Okay, let's see. All right, so that's what that's looking like, you guys. If you could see, you could tell it's kind of like thicker. Oh, ooh. Oh, it smells good too. Everything smells like a light, not overpowering, but a light scent of like rose oil. If you know like what rose oil smells like, so that's what everything's giving off, but it's not overpowering at all. It's really light and just perfect. It's the perfect amount of fragrance. But everything's giving quality. So if this is a set that you've been thinking about using, especially, it seems like it's really perfect and very much so meant for the summer, you should definitely check this out. I am so excited and looking forward to like trying this out like on a daily basis and just seeing like how it all, you know, like works out for me over time. But I'm so glad that I actually got the opportunity to receive this from Biossance, because I'm really impressed so far with like actually like the quality of everything. I mean, I don't expect it to not be good quality though, because it is sold in Sephora. So I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. I would like to give a special thank you to Biossance for partnering with me on this video today and sending over this amazing gift set. I'm super impressed so far and I'm looking forward to using it. And if you guys have used this set before, or you know, recently purchased it, let me know in the comments if you tried it before, or if you know, if you tried any other Biossance products, just let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions about like, you know, the consistency of anything or whatever, just like ask me in the comments as well. And like I say, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, guys. Bye.